and log out of other devices. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your account on Facebook. Then tap on these hamburger icons. Then what you need to do is you're going to tap on your profile. Make sure that your internet connection is stable. Then you can scroll down and you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on that. Then tap on settings again. So here you can see the option of password and security over here. So just tap on that. After that, scroll down and you can see the option of password and security again. So just tap on it. Then tap on the option of change password. Now after tapping on change password, you will get the option to choose the account for which you want to change the password of. So just wait for a while until it loads the options. Now here I'm going to change it on Facebook. Now you just have to give your current password and then give your new password and retype the new password again. After that, it will send an email to you that you have associated your email account with on Facebook. You just have to check and tap the code. Tap on continue. Now then tap on change password. After tapping on change password, you have changed your Facebook password. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.